welcome to Regent Heights, located in Barangay Poblacion, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, along San Ignacio Street. Guys, nakita niyo ba yung townhouse? It looks elegant in terms of color kasi classic lang naman yung kulay niya, di ba? It's like two color combination. And this is an actual turnover unit. Meron yung windows natin sa baba, siya ay sliding windows. And itong door na siya. Ito yung ating turnover. So, pagpasok mo, meron siyang parang maliit na concrete effect. And then, 60 by 60 yung kanyang tiles. Mataas din ang kanyang ceiling. At ganito na maganda yung ceiling niya pag turnover. So, kahit hindi mo na siya lagyan ng another design, kasi may design na siya, maganda na siya. And L-shape yung ating kitchen. So, ang turnover ng kitchen niyo po ay L-shape. Ito kasi yung magiging living and dining area and kitchen area. So, ang kanyang floor and lab area, nakikita niyo sa screen. For a townhouse, malaki po yung 65 square meter na floor area, guys. And meron tayong dito ng service area. Ito siya. Pwede mo na lang yung ipa-tiles. Yan yung magiging laundry area mo. Lagyan mo na lang ng roof. Tapos, yung turnover ng kanyang toilet and shower sa baba, napakalakas po at napakaluwag ng kanyang CR. May kasama ng fixtures, Posy brand, and ito, meron na siyang nakaganito siya. So, syempre may space para yung water. And at the same time, lalagyan mo na lang yan ng partition pag tinurnover sa'yo. Also guys, saan yung ceiling niya? Yan, meron din siya ditong window, maliit na window sa gilid. Ayan. Turnover ng ating stairs. Merong part na concrete, naka-tiles. Tapos, halfway ko ay may steel. Ito na yung turnover ng second floor, naka-tiles na siya na ganyan ganyan. So, sliding pa rin yung window, and this is bedroom number 1. Your bedroom number 2. For your bedroom number 2, guys, mas malaki siya. Pwede mo nga itong gawing masters, itong side na. Dito pwede ka magpa-customize ng closet. And here, may maluwag tayong hallway. And this is our master bedroom. For the master's bedroom, guys, pwede ka dito magpa-customize ng closet kasi meron siyang nagpapagawa, diba? So, this is drywall. Drywall partition ang tawag dyan. And meron siyang dalawang dito. Sliding window. The best part, you don't need to go downstairs because you have 2 toilet and shower up and down. So, yung second toilet and shower natin, may fixtures na rin nakasama. It's Posy brand. And here, guys, sa shower area niya dito, nakita nyo, para hindi umano yung tubig, meron na rin siyang ditong nakaabang. Ganyan. So, lalagyan mo na lang ito ng curtain, basically. At meron na rin siya ditong ventilation. Okay? So, ayun guys, yung ating Alexa townhouse. 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and shower for a townhouse, di ba guys? Bihira lang yan dito sa San Jose del Monte. Kadalasan ng mga townhouse, isa lang yung CR. So there you have it. This is Alexa townhouse. 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath. What you see is what you get. Kasi nga, actual turnover unit na to guys, di ba? Ito na talaga yun no? So, basically, gamit na lang, di ba? Ang kulang pag lumipat ka. I-design mo na lang siya. Tsaka, konting konting fixes na lang kung maglalagay ka ng roof sa service area. Tama ba guys? So, ngayon, September 2025, magbibigay ako ng updated sample computation for Regent Heights. Nakikita niyo po sa screen yung kanyang bank financing sample computation kung RFO na 12 months or kung pre-selling. So, i-compare nyo lang guys. Kung hindi ka nagmamadali, pwede kang mag-pre-selling, 22 months down payment. Kung medyo gusto mo ng mas mabilis na turnover, pwede kang mag-12 months down payment. So, pipili ka na lang kung ano yung pasok sa budget mo dyan at kung ano yung target turnover mo. Diba guys? So, ganun po siya. And syempre, kailangan mo mag-prepare ng mga initial requirements para ma-qualify. Pinapakita ko sa screen guys yung kanyang initial requirements. Ayan po siya. So guys, dahil September na yun, kontakin niyo ako agad. At least 1 to 2 days before, magbabakas-schedule ng clipping, strictly no walk-ins at allowed here, okay? Just contact me direct sa aking Viber and WhatsApp number. Ayan siya guys. Just mention Regent Heights. O kaya naman, Messenger, ayan ang Messenger, mention Regent Heights, mag-DM ka lang sa akin. Okay guys? And of course, you have to remember that we are a non-flooded location. Kahit po meron tayong river dito, mataas po yung ating harang. Kahit yung mga recent typhoon, kahit na Ondoy dati, wala tayong history of flood sa ating project location. I hope we are clear on that. And at the same time, guys, one ride ka lang po ng Quezon City at saka Metro Manila kasi along the road po, along the main road, daanan papuntang NLEX Manila Exit, tsaka papuntang SM Fairview QC Cubao, yung area natin. So, one ride ka lang, diba? Yun yung pinakamaganda sa atin, yung location niya. Bonus na lang na malaki din yung mismong bahay, yung mismong townhouse. So guys, what are you waiting for? Contact me as soon as possible to avail my September 2025 promo. Para malaman mo ano ba yung Vermont promo na yun, just contact me as soon as possible for that incentives upon your turnover. So guys, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching.